Do you require a plumber? Based in Hammersmith and surrounding areas? Our contact information can be found below, in the description of this video. Hello, we are a professional local plumbing company, known for offering superior value to all of our clients. Do not hesitate to call us with any questions that you may have. If you are experiencing unexpected plumbing problems such as emergency pipe repairs, central heating installations, leaky tap repairs, bathroom installations, hot water issues, blocked toilets, and clogged sinks, I know what kind of damage and stress these plumbing problems and many more can cause. No problem. We are here to help. There is no job too big or too small for us to resolve. We pride ourselves in our professional plumbing service in Hammersmith. We provide the best quality fully qualified service within a good time frame. We are an emergency plumber in Hammersmith and affordable service. We are fully NVQ qualified with many years of experience. Customer satisfaction is our top priority. We provide written no-obligation quotes. When you call, be sure to mention that you saw this video online and receive a discount on top of our already affordable prices. Call us on the number located in the description below to book an appointment right now.